how to block someone from seeing or viewing your TikTok videos. So if you want to block someone from seeing or viewing your TikTok videos, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. Search for TikTok and tap on it. Now here you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. Once you're on your profile, you'll have your followers, right? So if you want to block someone from seeing or viewing your TikTok videos, then just simply go with your followers, or you can just simply go and search for any person that you would like to block. After searching, you may find that person, right? Once you find that person, you need to tap on that person's profile, and here you just need to simply go with the share icon, which will be in the top right. And on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have mute their updates or block the profile. You need to just simply tap on block and block that person. Tap on block again, and that person will be blocked from seeing your TikTok videos. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.